Welcome to my video blog and to the making of the Basher racing video. First of all, I would like to give you some details on the track itself. I built it with a friend of mine over the last year. On every evening we had where it was rainy outside, we finalized it now this year with the snowy environment because it perfectly fits our current outside weather. The track's base plate is an old door, 150 centimeters times 80 centimeters. It's full of foam and cardboard, and we perfectly laid it out that it really works perfectly with the Basher Rocksta according to our current mods as I describe it in my video blogs, including better tires, weight in the tires and so on. I'm crazy about photography, nowadays video, and also about audio recording. So I have a basement recording studio which I completely changed into a dark room with black cloth, and I used my photography background papers also to fully cover the floor in black, all the walls in black. Only the ceiling remains as it is. For the onboard takes, I used the Sony Action Cam, which was mounted to the Basher Rocksta directly to the servo, and it was of course a little tricky because the main weight was now high above the car. For the cameras I mainly used my Nikon D800 with the 24-70 2.8 lens, and the f-stop was mostly 9 with an ISO of 800. I was lucky that I could borrow the slider and the focus wheel from a friend of mine. I used two LED lights with 1000 watts each to do the lighting on the scene. The key light is a spotlight with a Fresnel lens to do the nice shadows and the harsh light on the scenery, and the other light from the other side is just a fill light to lighten the shadows a little bit, especially in the dark areas.